Months to pledge. India is my country. All Indians, my brothers and sisters. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be Ambrose Party. Along lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Saraj from Grade IX. International news. US-Iran war tension with blockades at Strait of Hormuz. National news. India focusing on Lok Sabha election. Thank you. Happy morning everyone. Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Grade IX Sapphire. State news. CBSE announced results last term board exam and 93.7 students are passed. Sport news. Yesterday IPL. MI versus PBKS. PBKS won by 7 wickets. Thank you.
Happy morning everyone. Today's weather report is brought to you by Vivek of Grade IX Sapphire. Weather report. Minimum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. Maximum temperature 41 degrees Celsius. Humidity 42%. Wind speed 10 km per hour. Thank you.
Today's thought is brought to you by Uday from Junior and Sapphire. Thought. Motivation gets you going but discipline keeps you growing. I'll repeat once again. Motivation gets you going but discipline keeps you growing. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Envikas of Grade IX Sapphire. Word. Appealing. It means attractive. Friends, please spell after me. Appealing. APPEALI. It means attractive. Thank you.
Today's GK questions are brought to you by S. Bharat from Grade IX Sapphire. Question for Grade 7. If you have group pencils, how many do you have? I will repeat it again. If you have rows of pencils, how many do you have? Yes, you picked the correct answer. Answer is 144. Let us appreciate this. Question for Grade 8. What is the point of intersecting two lines? X is equals to 5 and Y is equals to 10. I will repeat it again. What is the point of intersecting two lines? Y is 5 is equals to 5, X is equals to 5, Y is equals to 10. Yes, you picked the correct answer. Answer is 5, 10. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. What is the distance of point x-axis? Yes, you picked the right answer. Answer is 4 units. Let us appreciate them.
Everyone, this is Yashashni from Grade Junior 10 Sapphire. Today I am going to tell speech on education. Education is most powerful weapon in our life which you can change the world. But education isn't just a weapon. Education is not about memorizing yourself and passing exams. It's about critical thinking and compassionate heart. It teaches us how to think, how to question, and how to solve the problems of tomorrow. I want to conclude my speech with one quotation that the foundation of exam is to teach one to think intensely and critically. Intelligence plus character builds a true education. Thank you. Have a good day.